So I'm showing you guys on how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies not working. This can be very confusing, so make sure you guys follow along exactly what I do to get this working. So download Zarchiver, which is free from the Play Store, just like that, Zarchiver. Once you guys download that, then you want to go over to this website, which I'm about to show you, which you can just search up COD Black Ops Zombies, like APK, something like that, and then search, and then you want to scroll down until you find the wretchdl.com. It'll bring you to this site right here. Scroll down, and it gives us a little tutorial right here. So pretty much what we want to do is actually scroll down and go to download page. Oops. Click on go to download page. It'll bring you right here, and then just see, make sure we're on the same track. Let me just delete this. So I'll show you. All right, so download the APK. Actually, all right, whatever. Actually, you know what? Let me see something first. Go to downloads, go to here. All right, download the data file. Okay. And we'll wait for that to download. All right. So once it's downloaded, just go to open up in Zarchiver. And then once you're here, just copy that the folder, and then go click on top, click on device storage, and then click on Android, click on OBB, and then bottom right, paste it. And if it pastes without the logo, as you see right here, is no logo on the folder because we don't have the app, the Call of Duty app installed. If it was a logo, then you know that the Call of Duty app is installed. And just to show you too, right now we don't have the app installed. Or BOZ, okay, whatever. All right, so all you guys want to do now is actually click on to, okay, once you have the folder there, go back to the download file, and then we can just search up Activision or something like that. Activision, or just like that, whatever. Activision. All right, if that doesn't come up, just to type of call of. All right, so now we have the zip file here, so we're gonna click onto it, and then we're gonna click on extract, and then use this folder here, the download folder. All right, replace. All right, and once you guys do that, type in Activision. Let's go here. All right, go to C4. Here, go to extract. All right. Then, once you do that, just download the APK. All right, once you download the APK, click on extract here, replace. All right, and then click on here and click on install. And once you install, click on done. And if we actually go over to the Android OBB, now it has a logo because we installed the app or game. And then launch it up, give it all permissions. And there we go. So now it's working. So I didn't cut this video at all to show you the exact steps. Data download error. I'm just gonna relaunch it. Just make sure you guys have at least a couple gigabytes, just be on the safe side. Actually, I can show you exactly how much gigabytes you need. I think this takes like 55 megabytes to download the Call of Duty app, but let's see how much space you need after it downloads the necessary data. Okay, now we're in. All right, and just to show you, oops, what are we doing here? All right, continue. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't have online. Doesn't work. I'm not sure if you do like local Wi-Fi online. It might still work. I'm not exactly sure, but single player, new game, and we can choose any of these. Choose Kino. So we also have Depths Arcaria Ascension, Call of the Dead. We'll do Kino. All right, choose a character, choose a difficulty, and then continue. And I'll show you that it's fully working. Here we are. We're playing the game. So I think the main thing, the important thing is to make sure you guys download this from, like, download the APK from the download folder from what's it called, from Zarchiver. If you download it like straight from Chrome or the browser, I don't think that's it probably won't work if you do it that way. But yeah, it's completely working. Actually, I can try it. See if the Wi-Fi works. If you guys want, comment down below, and I can make another video testing out the Wi-Fi to see if that works. If it does, then that'll be pretty cool because you play with your friends. I'm not sure if there was ever called World of War on Android, but I know it was on iOS. Like I played it like 10, 15 years ago with my friend back like on iOS on our iPods. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.